Hi, welcome to an NX video tutorial. It's another user wish and I will try to do this model in the other programs as well. At first I need some reference planes to make things easier. So the first one should be with a distance from this one, and the first distance should be maybe 10. Apply. The next one should be the distance from this one 1 to 2.5, and another one from this one 10, and then the next one is 110, 10 again, and the last one 17.5 from this one. And okay, I could put all these in a feature group and call this ref planes. Okay, next I need some sketches. Let's make a sketch on the XY plane. Okay, and this should be an arc, and it looks something like this. Maybe like this. Okay, then add some constraints. So this should be aligned to the axis. Okay, and the radius should be 90. And the center point should be on that plane coincident. Okay, now let's move this a little bit down like this. Okay, and add some constraints from this point to that plane coincident, and the same on this side. Okay, finish the sketch, make an extrusion with a sketch, make it symmetric, and it should be perhaps 80. Okay, another sketch on the ZX plane over here. Okay, another arc. I could hide this one for the moment. Like this again. This center point should be aligned to the axis, coincident. The radius should be 85. The distance should be from this point to that plane 5, and this should be fully constrained, so let's make a line like this, set it to construction and give it a dimension, maybe 30, that's okay. Close this one, finish the sketch and make another extrude with this one. Make it symmetric and make it 200 altogether. And okay. Let's show this one. Just take a look, that's okay. Okay, another sketch. Let's take a look. Should be on that plane, on the ZX plane. Okay, and this should be a line, maybe like this. And this point should be on this axis. There should be an angle between this axis and the line, and this might be 10. No, not 10, but 80, sorry. Okay, and the distance should be 60 from this point to that point. Or 70. Okay. Let's stretch this one a little bit. Give it a dimension. And close it. If you want, you can make it 110. Doesn't really matter. Close. Now finish this one. Make an extrude. Make it symmetric like this and apply. And I need the same surface on the other side, so let's mirror it. Go for mirror feature. I want to mirror this feature with the YZ plane. Okay. Now let's try to trim this. Let's trim. Go for more, trim sheet, and I want to trim this sheet, that sheet, and I want to keep these selected regions, and I want to keep the target right now, and I want to trim it with this plane. Take a look. Yes. Okay, and hide the targets. Okay. Once again, go for trim sheet, but right now I don't want to keep the target, so I want to trim this side, that side with this one. Okay. Apply. And then I want to trim. Let's take a look. Yes. I want to keep the middle. And I want to trim it with this one and that one. Show the result. Yes. Apply. Then I want to trim this one, that one, and that one with this object. Yep. Apply. Oh, I lost one. Cancel. So maybe first sew these. So go for more, sew, this, that. Okay. Now let's try again to trim. I want to trim this one with that one. Show the result. This looks good. Apply. And now let's take a look. Okay. I want to discard this right here, and I want to trim it this one. Show the result. Yes, and okay. Take a look. That's trim sheet 1, that's the other one. Now sew these two together. Sew this one with that one and that one over here. And okay. Next, I need an edge blend. This should be 20, yes, okay. This edge, that edge, this edge, this one, that one, that one, and these 4. Okay. Looks very nice. So next I want to turn this in a solid. Let's go for a bounded plane. Should be here, bounded plane right here, yes. Select the curve. That's the Now I got this face. If I sew these faces, I will get a solid body. So go for more and sew this one and that one, and okay. Just to check it, you could, for example, trim it or go to view, a clip section. Like this, and see it's a solid. Okay, next I need a sketch, maybe on this plane. Okay, and this should be an ellipse. Yes, center should be right here. The major radius should be in that direction, should be 200, so it's 100 the radius, and the other one should be 150, and the angle 0. Okay, make an extrude, finish the sketch, make an extrude with this sketch in the other direction like this, and I could unite it with this one. Okay, now let's make a shell and hope it works, otherwise it's 10 and it should be removed. This one should be removed. Not really. And alternate thickness should be applied to. This face, and that should be yeah, looks nice. And I could put this all together in the feature group. Right click, feature group, and call this the base body. And okay. And go to view, and where is it? Show hide the sketches and close. Let's add some edge blends right here. This could be maybe 10. Apply, and another one which could be 3 right here, and okay. And move these two in to the feature group. Okay, let's save this and hide the feature group, and I want to go for another body, and this should be on that plane. Okay, and it could look like this. Okay, this line should be in that plane, collinear, that line in this plane, collinear. It should be symmetric, so let's go for some symmetry, make symmetric. First one, second one with that axis, okay. And I need some dimensions. This should be 80. That one should be 110. Close it. Finish the sketch. Now let's make an extrude. Should be symmetric with the sketch, and should be 7,4 divided by 2, and it should have an offset. And that should be 10. Yeah, okay. And I hope I didn't forget. No, it's okay. Then I would need some edge fillets, edge plans, or maybe, yeah, it doesn't matter. I could do this first. That's 10, 10, 10, 10. Apply. And the other one should be, I suppose, 20. Yes. 20. Here, 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 and over there. And okay. Nice. Maybe let's hide the sketches. Close it. Now I want to make a draft, and just notice I have to change my extrude from a symmetric one to a simple one. Okay. Now let's go for draft. From the edges the vector should be that draft direction, 10 degrees, and the edges should be these. Okay, now I want to mirror this. Go to mirror feature, and that's this, and select the plane. The plane should be that one, and okay, nice. Again, I will put this together in one feature group. So that's the sketch. Up to here, right click, make a feature group, call it upper body. And okay. Now let's show from this feature group the edge plane like this. Okay, I need a new sketch, I need a new body on this plane. Okay, and this could look like maybe like this. Okay, make these collinear, make it symmetric. This line, that's the axis. Okay, and this one, that one as well. Okay, dimension over here should be 1 to 8. Another one should be from that plane to this point. That's 17.5. There should be an angle to the axis. This should be 55. And I need an angle between that edge and that line. So let's project this one into my sketch. That's this one. Project that edge, just this edge. Okay. Set this one to construction and make an angle like this, and this should be 5. Okay. Okay. And I could probably make dimension from here to this one. To the axis, yes. This might be, let's say, 50. Okay. Close. Let's take a look. What's missing? 55, 5 degrees. Yeah, that's okay. It's fully constrained. Finish the sketch. Make an extrude. Make it symmetric. And the value should be 16. So it's 8. With the sketch, and okay, maybe hide this one. Now let's make some edge blends. 30. Over here, over here, over here, and over there. Okay. Now let's add a face blend. 3 defining face chains. First face this one, second face that one, and this middle face is this one. And okay, nice. And I'm almost done. Now I want to move this part from my body, so I search for a sketch in the feature group upper body. That's this one. Make an extrude with this sketch. That's okay. Make it symmetric, maybe 20. That's okay. And I want to subtract it from this body. And okay, yes. Let's take a look and show, where is it? It's in the base body. Show this extrude. don't show this one. Okay, but with this extrude I could cut it, so I try to trim it, trim this body with this extrude. Oh, it doesn't work, it's not a complete. Why? Because it looked like this. Yeah. It cuts the body complete, so where's the problem? Let's check. Maybe I could do another extrude, it doesn't matter. So we'll go for this sketch and make another extrude. That's a sheet. Make it symmetric. Make it 20, that's okay. And the body is this one. Okay. Yeah, it should be not, it should be none, of course, and okay. So now let's trim this body, that one, with this face. Reverse the direction. Okay. Hide this and check if it works. And this should be the upper body. Where is it? Upper body, and the base body is this one. Looks good to me. Yeah. Okay. I could put this one up to that one in another feature group. Let's call this mid body. Okay. Yeah. Like this. Okay. Then I need another body. That would be a sketch right on that plane. Okay. This should be a circle. Diameter should be 60. Finish the sketch. Make an extrude. Reverse the direction. And the distance should be 7.5 plus 3 plus 10. That's the upper shaft. And I need another one. I could use the same sketch. Another extrude with this sketch. And I will start from this plane, yes, and go up to the selected one would be, I need a face that should be my base body. This U21. Let's check. Yeah, looks good. Now I could unite this all together. This one, that one, that one, that one, and this one, that one all together. Yep. Okay. I need a hole. With the arc center. Diameter should be 40. And it should go through the body. Yes. And maybe hide the datums, the sketches. No, just missing some fillets. It's an edge blend. Radius should be 3. First I want to make these edges. Okay, and that should be the last one. And I think I'm done. Yes, so I hope you will enjoy this lengthy video, and as I already told you, I will try to make this bonnet in the other programs as well. So bye bye.